G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, Wominjeka. I have been asked a question by Ricky. G'day Ricky, this is just for you mate. Ricky's asked me about gauging a pilot hole depth for a screw. So, here's just a quick easy way for you Ricky. If I hold my screw up, I can hold my fingers against where I need to on the depth of my screw. So you can see how deep I need to go. Then I'll just get a little bit of masking tape, rip that off, and where my fingers are, I can actually use a grey lead as well. Wherever I've got my fingers, I use the sharp edge of the tape and I wrap it around, dun, 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 right there. And then I know that if I go up to that tape, it'll be where I need it to for the depth of that pilot hole. Don't go any deeper than that. Thanks for watching. If anybody else has got questions, flick them over. Happy to answer them. Otherwise, stay awesome.